That PBL file is a PowerBuilder library, compiled application objects from Sybase's enterprise development platform, bundling code, interfaces, and data definitions together. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage, edit, or troubleshoot these application library files. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. PBL files are library files for Appeon PowerBuilder, formerly Sybase storing compiled application objects, including Windows, datawindows, menus, functions, and user objects. They serve as the primary code storage format for PowerBuilder application development projects. PowerBuilder PBL files use a proprietary binary format, storing serialized PowerBuilder objects with source code, compiled P-code visual layout definitions, and object inheritance hierarchies. They support version-level regeneration and can be organized into library search paths. The anticipated software for loading PBL is SAP PowerBuilder, created by SAP SE. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your PBL file and choose Open With. Test with SAP PowerBuilder first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If the PBL file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent PBL problem. First, opening the library. Install Appeon PowerBuilder and open the PBL file through the Library Painter or by adding it to a PowerBuilder workspace. Browse the contained objects to view Windows, datawindows, and functions. Double-click any object to open it in the appropriate editor. Next, managing library objects. Use the Library Painter in PowerBuilder to browse, copy, move, and delete objects within PBL files. Regenerate objects using the Regenerate All function to ensure all compiled code is current. Optimize PBL files periodically using the Optimize function to reclaim fragmented space. Finally, migrating applications. For modernization, export PowerBuilder. Application logic and migrate to web-based frameworks using Appeon Power Server, or rewrite in modern languages. Export data window definitions and SQL queries for reuse. Document business logic contained in PBL objects before migration begins. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.